In this video, I will show you how to add page numbers in Canva step by step. First, open Canva and click on the Create Design button at the top left. Select the dimensions you want. For this example, I'll start with a poster, but you can use any dimensions. Once the design opens, add more pages by clicking Add Page to create a multi-page design. To add page numbers, start by selecting a shape from the Elements tab. Click See All under Shapes and pick one that you like. Resize the shape to be small but slightly elongated, then position it at the bottom of the page. Adjust the color to something subtle like light blue to make it visually appealing. Next, add text by selecting Add a Heading from the Text tab. Type the number 1 for the first page and position it inside the shape. Once you've styled the first page number, select both the text and the shape by holding down Shift, then copy them using Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. Navigate to the next page, paste the copied elements, and update the number to 2. Repeat this process for all your pages, updating the numbers as needed. And that's it! Your page numbers are now added. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.